First day of snow in Southern California. I'm pretty shocked we have so much. I'm about to hop in the Rover. Oh, it's beautiful. It's 33 degrees right now. I'm at Mount Baldy. Well, I'm actually headed up to Mount Baldy. Snow is everywhere. Drive up in the mountains, drive in some snow, get some pictures of the snow. Let's go take a look. But before I go, I'm going to show you my local mountains. It's snowing. This is beautiful. So beautiful. About to bust a U-turn so I can go back and take pictures of where I want to take pictures. I believe that's where we were. See that little tree right there. This is where we were, Sisha. I just pulled over at. Love these tires. These tires are amazing. Love the tires. Tisha, this is where we went. This is where we went to take the pictures. And I'm gonna see if the water's still there and get some footage of that. There's the Rover. Come on. Oh, that is insanely. My goodness, that is nice. Picture time, baby. About to walk down right here. There's a snowman right there. About to walk down. Walking down. I'm going heel first. I definitely don't want to slip. So I'm walking down. That's what I'm walking down to. I have a camera in one hand. I have the camera in one hand, the GoPro in the other. This water is so pretty. Oh my goodness. That's a shot like no other. It's raining on me a little bit. I'm about to show you how I'm going to get these pictures. Last time I fell, well, at least I slipped and I stepped in the water. I'm not doing that today because it's 32 degrees out here. But I am about to get some shots of the water flowing, and I'm gonna freeze it. I'm out here recording myself with the Micro Four Thirds system. I'm using my Olympus M1 Mark III. It's 30 degrees and I have zero issues. That's why I love Micro Four Thirds. Rugged bodies, weather resistant. It's 30 degrees out here. Let's take a look at where I'm at.